Hi everyone, now we are going to see a program in which we are going to switch the values of two variables A and B. So these are the two variables we have considered in the program. So we are going to switch the values of these two variables. That is, say if the start of the program you'll have a value of A as 1 and B as 2. At the end of the program you should get A is equal to 2 and B is equal to 1. That is what is the result that we expect from this program. We'll just test if the program works and then we'll go to explaining the program. I'll just click on compile and run here. Yes. So enter the value of first variable A is equal to, say I'll take the value as 1. Again enter the value of second variable, let it be 2. Now I've got my result. Before swapping, that is before exchanging the values of these variables, initially it was A is equal to 1 and second variable B value was 2. The result whatever I have got is A is equal to 2 and B is equal to 1. That is after swapping or after changing or exchanging the values of these variables. So successfully I've got this one here as the value of B and this two here as the value of A. So that is what is a successful swapping that we have done using a simple program. Now let's see how this is done. As I said, the program is very simple. We are just taking two variable inputs here. So I've written a message, enter the value of first variable and then A is equal to. You can change it according to your requirements and then take the value like this %d and then plug the value whatever the user gives to the variable A. So this A here gets the value whatever you type in, or this function scanf, what it does is it takes the input from the user and plugs that value or input that you give into variable A. The same thing will be done to B. So at this particular point, once these four instructions are executed, A value will be something that you enter and B value will be again something else that you enter. So once we have successfully got the values of A and B, we just print a message on the screen saying that before swapping first variable value was something and second variable value was something. The something is whatever you have typed in the places of %d here and here. So whatever value you have typed, that value will be displayed in these positions. This is before swapping. All this is before swapping. That is, our program is not yet finished. This is the heart of your program where the calculation part is. Now let's see how simple it is. As I said, our two numbers are 1 and 2, or A value is 1, B value is 2. So I have just substituted for this equation here where A is 1 and B is 2 and the total or the sum of 1 and 2 gives me 3. That will be the present value, or after executing this particular statement or instruction, my value of A will be 3. So I have lost my value, previous value of A, that was 1, and now the value of A is 3. So what is the result that I'm expecting? I'm expecting my A value to be 2 and B value to be 1. Let's see what happens next. B is equal to A minus B. My next expression, what it does, the total whatever I have got from here, 3, that minus the value of B. What is the result that I get? B is equal to 1. If you look carefully, I have got B is equal to 1, and that is what I wanted. But I have not got the value of A yet. A value is 3, but I want it to be 2. Just look carefully at A value and B value and you'll get the next expression, that is A minus B. That's why I write A is equal to A minus B. That means A is equal to 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1. So I get the value of A as 2. Now I have swapped the value of B and made it 1, and I have made the value of variable A as 2. So we have exchanged the two values successfully. So now that we have exchanged the values, we'll just print those values using this particular instruction where we again say after swapping or after exchanging the value of those two variables, first variable value a is equal to %d and second variable value b is equal to %d, and those %d's will be these or a and b values that we have calculated in these three steps. I hope you understood something from this program.